How's it going, everyone? What's up, Tony, Jap B, Het? How's it going? Wait for a few more people to get in here. There's only 2 people. Where's everyone at? How's it going? Yeah, XRP sitting pretty over $2. Not looking bad. Make sure you guys can hear everything okay. How's it going over on X? Yeah, we'll wait for a few more people to get in here before we get into anything because people will ask for the same thing. I'm on the wrong chart. Wrong list. What am I typing? Oh, Tarax. Get this off of the 1-minute chart, back to the weekly. Yeah, this thing moved up, it looks like, from the last time we looked at it. It's getting stuck, or it's right at the 618 at 1 penny. So it is getting stuck, but if it can hold here, be in good shape. If it can get over that 1, get over the 618 here. But not a bad move. Subsidi, Cha, Alicia, Moef. What's going on? But yeah, Taraxa doesn't look bad right here. What is it? Terra. Oh, she's pushing through. All we had to do is look at it. If it stays above a penny and a half is next for a 40% move here. You're talking about ACT, that coin on Deck Screener. I believe that's what you're talking about. I have no idea what NRN is. Did we look at that last night? NRN on Neuron. Yeah, there's nothing to say to this. It's going to the moon. All right, we go high to the low. Let's see where it's getting hit. It's above the previous high. There's really nothing to say. As long as you stay above 18, next stop is 32. Damn, 46% move. But the overall chart looks good. Damn, it's up 100 and 200%. That's nice. What's up, Aaron? No YB. Troppy is the new Pepe, says Stormtrooper. Yeah, Arrowbud's still going to the moon, probably. XYO update. XYO. That's still in the same spot. We just covered this on Shiba. Shiba pumped a little, didn't have a huge pump yet, but it broke out to the upside. That's what we're expecting here on XYO. So let's see here. XYO in a bullish continuation pattern, sitting right on the 236. So that's very bullish. That's 0085. So yeah, XYO looks good. It's about to make a move. If it pulls a Shiba, it'll just have a little tiny move. But still a 20% move to 1, and if it breaks over that, macro 0.5 is an 80% move. You never know how fast these things are going to run. But she's looking good there. Yeah, is AOS still bullish? AOS. Well, damn, she is. She's moving. She's breaking over the previous high. Nice. So, AOS, just real quick. If you want some shorter targets to watch before it gets all the way up to the macro 1272. On this one, now that she broke the high, that's very good to see. 144 is next, 16% move, and then potentially 170. GPU, Node AI. Yeah, this one's running too. It's above the 1272, so if you can hold 187, next stop. You said you're thinking about getting in on GPU? 13% move to the next target at 217. You do what's best for you, I guess. It is bullish right now. What's up, Brian, Dan, Stony, Feel Good Green, XRP? Yeah, XRP looks good. Next macro stop is $3, $3.30. Vara, PNG, Helium, Carrot. Jeez, you guys are coming out the gate hot. Yeah, Carrot's bullish. She broke out of our pattern. Broke that previous wick high. Next stop is the 618. So 69, almost a 10% move. And if you blow through that, I don't see why it wouldn't come up to 91, 44% move. But yeah, broke out of the pattern. It's bullish here. It's PNG moving. Yeah, she moved up a little bit with our tiny fib here that did nothing. What was that? Oh yeah, it was on the 4-hour chart. Bounced off the 382, 236. It looks good here. I mean, it's curled up here. It just needs to break over this 43.5. Did you call me Stony? No, I was talking to Stony 1187. He says buy XRP meme coins on First Ledger. People are sleeping. CRV is partnering with BlackRock. Super bullish. LCX, he says. I guess Tropi. What is Tropi? A meme coin on Solana or something, or Ethereum? Yeah, we're going to go over there and look at ACT and What was it? Aerobud, Act, NRN. Yeah, I don't know what Tropy is. Well, we could have looked at it before, but I don't know. LCX. Yeah. After we flipped bullish on it and said the bottom was in, she went to the moon. Right now, it's getting stuck at the 786 at 35. You're at 34.8 at the moment. So you are at resistance right now. So just keep that in mind. So if you push through, so be it. You'll keep running. And if we do from there to there, as long as you're over 26.5, if it pulls back that far, that's your price to hold. If it falls lower than that, then it is dropping all the way down back to the 618. And if it breaks through, it could be gunning for the high here. It's breaking through right now. But if you want another small target, which I don't think there is, nah. You can see the 1272 at 62 is right below. So this thing looks good here. If she can maintain over 35, this thing's going to spike up. Damn. 80 to 90, maybe 100%. Yeah, I can't answer that. Yvonne, how's it going? What's up, Patrick? Welcome back. But yeah, I say this all the time. You got two giant green candles in here. You're at resistance. People want to buy in here. But if I got that, I would take profit and run. Not financial advice. We got Miss Slasher for 5. I appreciate that. Another YouTube crypto guy thinks the Korean market will do a dump around Xmas end of the year to avoid new tax hit in 2025. Thoughts? I have no idea. No thoughts on that. Dump and then reset. What's up, Econ? Who said that? The Korean market will do a dump around Christmas end of the year. I've never heard that before. I guess it's always possible. But honestly, I don't think that matters. I don't think the Korean market is going to do anything to anything. I would just brush it off as FUD. But I appreciate the 5. All right, let's go. Let me get up. Yeah, I do got Dex Screener open. Let's go over to Dex Screener. Let's see what Dex Screener has going on. Dex Screener, NRN, Aerobud. And what happened to our chart? Oh, on market cap. She's still going. Wow. So you got through 2.7. Next stop is 7.1. Man, this thing's about to do another 100% candle, 134%. This thing's just always bullish. But yeah, Aerobud looks good here. As long as you're over 2.7, she's going to continue to go. And then Act. Act 1 on Solana, right? Well, I guess it's going to be the one that pulls up the chart. And she didn't pump like we thought. She got stuck. Lower high at the moment. Pull this over so we can see. So the price to beat is 8.8, of course, on Act here. Had a huge run. Yeah, that's really all we can do. As long as you're above 3.6, you're good to go. What are we on the daily? Let me fix this. I really need to fix the colors and get the colors off of here. It's very annoying. The whole deck screener chart's annoying. But yeah, this thing pumped up and it's just been going sideways forever now. So after that pump up, 4-hour candles, let's see the daily. Yeah, let's work with the daily for a moment. That stuck right at that 2272, pulled back. Right now, high to the low, 786, 618. You're above the 382, so you're bullish. You need to push back through 60 and then 66 and hold, and then you'll be good to go. Pretty much got stuck on 2 candles here, 2 daily candles, but you're still above the 382. Short term here. If this thing pushes up and makes a new high, 80% move to 112, I guess I'll just leave that there, see if it helps. And then NRN, I don't know what that is. Oh, you didn't have to mention it. I never heard of him anyway. Crypto Angler. What's up, Mispa? Yeah, I just did a update on QNT. QNT Jack, and it just went right through 105 there, right after I looked at it. But yeah, you never told me what that one was on. And what is NRN? Neuron. Okay, I think we looked at this one. Is it on Arbitrum? What is Neuron on? Because I know we looked at it. Maybe that was it. Maybe we didn't look at it. Mog. Yeah, I could have swore we looked at this one. What's up, Sean? Wyatt says smash the like buttons. Listen to the man. He's got a good idea. Yeah, I really don't watch any other YouTubers, so I don't know what they're saying. I don't have time. LCX needs to get above 40 and then run. Yeah, 2 giant green candles on LCX. Whoa, what is this doing? Dude, what is happening? I just think keep disappearing on me. Alright. Yeah, I can't even do anything with this chart if it's the right one. It's got a god candle that spawned in. Jesus. There's not even a top to this thing. What is happening? There's no way I can use that candle. Oh, this is so annoying. This damn auto button. Yeah, hopefully this is the right one. That's the wrong tool. Damn it. I don't know, I keep saying that. Alright, so the only thing I can say on Neuron here, NRN, the low point to the high. Oh, come on. As long as you're above the 236 at 14.7, you're bullish here. But the overall chart looks very good. If it doesn't, you could drop 32%. Crypto for $1.99. I appreciate that. Appreciate the super chat, I guess that is. I appreciate that a lot. Crypto. Your name's just Crypto, huh? Have you been here before? New tax lows, it won't hurt us. Yeah, are we in it? What's up, Slava? How you doing, brother? I appreciate the support, Crypto. Someone said something a minute ago. Targets for Jito and Tensor. No idea on Jito. I don't think we've looked at that in forever. Someone said Vara. Yeah, Vara's doing nothing. It's still down. It's not above 3.1, so can't look at it. Makes us too sad. CTX. What's CTX doing? CTX doing nothing, still in the same spot. Yeah, CTX is just still in the same spot here. High to the low, it's above the 382, so you're bullish over 283. Price to beat is 344, up to 374. But as long as you're over 283, this thing's bullish, which we can see off of the bottom formation. It woke up and it spiked. But other than that, it's not doing anything. You said Tau, didn't you? Tau's just kind of sitting here too. It hasn't moved since the last time we looked at it. Excuse me. It did move up from the bottom here, and it's making a lower high at the moment. Macro, lower high, lower high. So it really needs to break above the 2272 at 728 here to break this structure here to continue any kind of a move up. So I don't think there's anything we could draw on it. You're above the 786, of course. I guess that's why that green support line is there. Let me pull that back up. Yeah, that's not going to tell us anything. But yeah, I mean, this thing needs to break the bearish structure it has at the moment, but it is curled up on this end. So what it needs to accomplish here is it needs to come up here, break through the 2272 and make a higher high for us to be bullish on it, and then we're good to go. But then how high is it going to go? I don't know if you asked that or not. 36 billion market cap up to 4,900. 7.5x. Straight crypto says the Oz to the moon. The Oz to $3 tomorrow. All right, I'm back. Brother came in the door messing with me. What did I miss? No, we didn't do Kendu Inu. He says AOS is going parabolic. Yeah, we already looked at AOS. Where's Kendu Inu? On here? I think we looked at it on here. On Ethereum or base? Oh man, this thing broke down. Let's see here. Broke the uptrend. I don't know if we drew that last time. What are we on? We're on the daily. Let's go to the 3-day, just so we can see a little better. All right, we're gonna pull this down here. So if that was the bottom, which it is respecting, as you can see here. Let's see. So you have to get over 3-0, and then the bottom is confirmed in, and then bullish over 4-7. And if this thing bottomed and it's going to start running again, potential 21x up to the new high at 6-0 for a gamble play. But first you got to get over 30 to confirm. What is the China 50 index? I have no idea what that is. Look at the China 50 chart index. Lots of speculation. It is going to run crazy. I don't know what that is. You want me to TA it? We can try. China 50 index. Let me see here. But yeah, we already looked at AOS. AOS is pushing through. It pushed through the previous high. It's headed to $1.44 and then $1.70. But yeah, it's very bullish right now. But your next resistance is 144, 170, and then 215. But if you didn't buy in here when we were talking about it being bullish in the continuation or in the pattern here, waiting for so long, good luck if you're going to chase green candles. That's really all I can say. Good luck and God bless. Chase them green candles. CSI. Where can I find that at on? Is it? Yeah, I have no idea what I'm looking for. Which one am I looking for? China A50 index, USD. I'll leave this here for a minute so you can tell me and I'll see what I can do with it. CSI 888. What is this? Yeah, I don't know what this is. Spot, it's a crypto? Oh, it's a meme on ETH. Yeah, meme on ETH. Okay. I'm caught up now. So this is a meme, huh? Not a bad looking chart. High to the low. As long as the... Man, I hate those buttons so much. As long as the trend here holds. You're like right at it right now. Oh man. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 786 final support. Low, high, right on the trend. So any lower than 130, then it's going back to where it came from. It needs to hold here. And then if it holds here, not a bad move. Potential 30x. Yeah, it seems to be it's either the bottom or bust right now. That's either it or it's going down. Helium Mobile on Coinbase is running. Yeah, pretty much everything's starting to run. Let's see here. All right, so we can just get rid of this mess. Helium Mobile. This thing already ran. Oh, damn. What kind of chart is this? We gotta have a better chart than this, huh? Oh, yeah, we got a Poloniex chart. Maybe that's what we're looking at. No. Let's delete that one. Yeah. I guess the bottom was in. Double bottom, higher low, and then she went to the moon. Stuck at the 0.5 right now. Where it got stuck last time. So all this support is now resistance, resistance. So once you get over 2.0, it may be off to the races again on this one, but it has to get over 2.0 here. If you break through 2.0, another 40% spike up to 0.026. Well, yeah, it doesn't look bad. What's up, Matthew? boxy. It's supposed to flip the Chinese index. I'm trying to go through the chat. It's about to explode. Mark, how's it going? BNT. BNT. Yeah, I know we don't have a... I probably have an old BNT chart. That Bancor. That's a dinosaur coin. Yeah, old chart here. Give me a moment. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, we're going to get rid of this mess. But yeah, we looked at LCX. LCX doesn't look bad. We'll go cover it once more again. 3 or 4 times before the stream is over. High to the low, you're over the 236 on BNT at 71. As long as you're over 71, the bottom is confirmed in. And then we go low to the high. Yeah, you came down perfectly with the formation. See, we didn't see this one. Came down 786 support, formed that structure that we've been watching forever. And she's moving. She's over the 236. Let me bring that back up one more time. And then the only other thing we can do, next stop up is 117, and then you're macro bullish. But if we bring up high to the low, yeah, you're over the 382. So over the 236 is the 382. So the bottom is confirmed in macro, and you're bullish. Once you get over 106, it's going to send you up to 117. 117, you're bullish. And then once you break over 262, you're confirmed the move from 2021 to the bottom is over. And then you can move up on this one. How high is it going to go? No idea. Don't have any idea what the market cap is on this one. But an older coin, 5 to 10x probably. So 786 retracement up to 463 is very possible. And a 5.5x. Because you can see a new high would be a 30x on an old coin up to $24. I don't know the target people say for it, but I guess I'm going to have to build a chart for that. Then someone said SD. We go over to Stater. What is Stater doing? What did I click on? I don't know what that is, but that's old as hell. Yeah, SD's holding up here. Another one that's potentially in a very bullish setup here. We just covered something else that was in the same setup. Shiba just ran out of the little pennant pattern. So it looks good here. It looks like it wants to spike up out of here. You're over the 382, low to the high. You bounced. You're right below the 236. So once you get over 103 and then 112, it's going to shoot out of here. And probably spike right up to the 0.5. And then if I can get this to move... Damn, 80% move. 80% move loading. Tensor. What is Tensor? Let's see here. We don't have a chart for Tensor either. Come on. Not a bad looking chart. Yeah, Tensor's over the 382, so she is bullish. She's got the higher highs, higher lows. It's curling up here. You're over the 382, so you're macro bullish over 64.5. As long as you stay over 64.5, the next stop is another 22% move to 86. And then once you get over 115, the move down and over is over, and you can move up. This one to a new high. Yeah, this one needs to come to a new higher. It's not even worth it. 786 retracement's only a 150% move. Well, I guess if it made a slightly higher high, it'd be a 4.5x. But this one to 584 is an 8.5x. If you think it can go that high. Jito. I don't know what Jito is. We got Sean for 199. I appreciate that. Thanks for the B&T chart. I appreciate the 2, my man. I appreciate that a lot. Velo, Degen. Let's see here. I appreciate that a lot. We're 40 minutes in now. We got 43 people in here. We must be bullish. We're going to get 30 super chats today and over 100 people in here. We're going to speak it into existence. Let's get this rolling. All right. What do we say? I know I saw someone say Degen. Oh, yeah. What was the other one? Jito. Jito. What is Jito? JTO. Coinbase coin. Oh, we might have a chart for it. No. We got an old dinosaur chart from 20 years ago. What is this thing? It's a stable coin. It's been going sideways forever. Unless there's a better chart. What are we looking at? JTO. Just trying to see if I can find a better chart. Come on now. Nah, it's been going the same way forever. Alright, we'll just use the Coinbase one. See what it kind of tells us. But yeah, my phone just went off. I'm going to have to answer it in a second. Hold on. High to the low. Got stuck. Broke the previous high for just a moment. And then died. Sideways. It's been holding over the bottom 236. So that's good. And it's sitting right on top of the 786 here. So as long as you're holding 346 here, if you can manage to push through 445, it's about a 17% move. It should send you up now that you know after all this we're in the bull market or whatever we're in now. I don't honestly know. That would send you up 62% to about $6. But the short term here doesn't look bad. It's coiled up, curled up, higher highs, higher lows, sitting on support. Yeah, it looks good here. I mean, we could draw more fibs and just pick at it, but there's no point. Yeah, on this one, you're sitting right above the 618, so that's also good. So you're sitting on double fibs here, so double support, got that confluence, so it looks good here. It should hold over this price. And then once you break over 418 to 445, like establish momentum over that, then you're good to go. Someone said Degen a minute ago. What is Degen doing? Probably sitting in the same spot, holding up over support. Let's see. Yeah, Degen's about to take off. I think we said that yesterday. Everyone pile in. Damn, Degen is about to take off. That's the measured move, I think. Let me move that out of the way. Yeah, Degen's in the bullish continuation, falling wedge pattern over the 618. Oh, she's about to spike up 60%. Oh, no. Hold on, let me answer my phone real quick. Yeah. Let's see here. Back over to the chat. Yeah, DGen's about to take off. That is not financial advice. Let's see. XRP, they keep asking for. Ista for 2 says, give me some sauce on DOT building along. DOT. I appreciate the 2. DOT, and then, yeah, I see you asking for Velodrome to the moon. Yeah, Velo's been holding up. It held the macro uptrend here. It started to pull away over the 0.5, and it's moving up still. It's over the 618. Excuse me. And then if we draw a high to the low, getting stuck right at the 0.5. Over the 382, 618, this thing is bullish. And the price to beat is 13.9. Once you get over 13.9, it'll send you up to the macro 786 here. But right now it is getting stuck at resistance, but you are bullish over that 382. So a 22% move is lingering here. 22 up to about a 30%, 33% move, but it looks good here. We said this when it was back here, when it bounced. If it holds over the 0.5, it starts to pull away from the trend, then you could have a move up like it did in the past. Well, of course. But it looks good here. It looks bullish. Yeah, I covered DOT not too long ago. You're building a long on DOT. Should have built it down here in the formation. That's why I tried to go through that list in the last 2 upstreams, live streams. Trying to build a list of things that are still in here and haven't broken where it's been getting stuck at. And then they do this. I'm still looking at Beefy. Beefy finance to the moon. Let's see here. DOT, depending on where we're going to draw this at. I don't know if you're trying to hold a long-term long or a short-term. Low to the high, you're over the 236 after bouncing on the 382. So as long as you're over 870, it looks good here. Little V-shaped recovery, just like it did back here, and it just kept going. But the overall chart looks good. It looks very good. So you could say over 903 and then 871 could be more accurate. And then it's probably, let's see here, getting stuck right at the 786 or it's above it. Yeah, it's right at resistance right now, just so you know, on the macro. 925. Well, you're right above it. You got above it once, came back down. I mean, it still looks bullish here. But as long as you can stay over 925, the next resistance is a 10% move to the macro 382 at 1019. Around that area, it's not going to be perfect. So hopefully that's not what you're looking for. Yeah, making sure I covered the super chats. What's up, April? Yeah, we just did helium. Welcome to being late. Helium Mobile. Myth, again for 5, says thanks for the extra effort on Jito and Tensor. I'll dump them and roll into something better. I didn't tell you to do anything, but I appreciate the 5. Helium Mobile and Arkham. Yeah, we keep covering things over and over. Helium. Yeah, you're above the 0.5. She's moving up from 5 minutes ago when we looked at her. People are piling in. As long as you're over 2.0, the price to beat, or the price to get to, is a 618. So about another 26-27% move to resistance at 0.026. And then once you get over the 618, this down move is officially over. This thing double bottomed with a higher low and went to the moon. But it looks good right now as long as you're over 2.0. But if you guys bought the bottom on these things, hopefully you guys are taking profit. Yeah, once it breaks this previous high here, you're in business at about 2.4, 2.6, 2.4, 2.6, and then you're good to go. Thoughts on block lords? What's up, Alex? Spa and shipping, they say. Yeah, we already missed Spa. I don't remember what shipping is doing. I just can't believe these things did this. Well, I believe it, but we were watching them so long in these little dead formations. Bullish but dead down here, and now they're all going to the moon. Yeah, this one on the weekly, it spiked way up. It did a what? If you bought somewhere in here, you got you a 5x, so what can I say? Hopefully you took profit. And now it has a huge red candle on the 3-day spawned in here. She's going to 0. It looks like it's coming back down to the 3.2. It blew through it, so it's back testing. But yeah, I learned last time when you have moves like this, just get out and roll over. Go into something else that hasn't moved or is bullish. It's sitting right on the 3.2, low to the high here at 186. That's where you're at right now. Any lower than that, then you'll come down to 169. And then that should be the bottom. But if it stays over this 186 here, it could drop another 10%. But on the larger time frames, the weekly, where we have a large candle here with a large wick, if it stays over that price, it could just move right back up. It just could get bought right back up. But there is only 36 minutes left on this weekly candle. So it's almost over. A new one's about to spawn in. But that's a nasty looking wick there. Shipping. Yeah, shipping came, hit our support box, bounced, got stuck right at the trend and the 382. Excuse me. And now it's back below the smaller 382, high to the low. So as long, damn, I keep wanting to cough. As long as you're below 779, that's exactly where you're at right now. But if you fall any lower, you're getting stuck right here. You're no longer short-term bullish, and it's going to pull back to 6.2. But, you know, there's no telling what this thing's going to do. 18% drop if it doesn't hold 779. It just dropped a little. But the big price to beat is getting over the 3.2 and 9.2. Once you get over that, break back over the trend, and then you're in good shape, and then you could start moving up. But right now, simply got stuck. Arkham and Arrow. VXV, what is that? What's up, Vlad? M, do you think it's still worth getting into XRP? I'll let the chat answer that. You're not in XRP and you're thinking about getting in now when it's going to the moon. If you guys want it to go to zero, I'll go buy in. I'll go put my little $25 on XRP, and the top is in instantly. Yeah, a couple people. GST woke up from the bottom formation. Our support, it moved. It's over our first level here at 18.8. You're at 2.0. Not too late to buy GST. You're over the 236. Next stop up is bullish over the 382 at 2.8 here. And that, more likely than not, is going to send you up to the macro 236 and get you over 4.2. And officially say the bottom is in. I say not too late, but we've been watching these in these bottom formations for months, and if you didn't get in, then you missed it. Yeah, PNG is just lagging. It's probably going to follow AOS. Arrow's going up. Yeah, Arrow has been bullish lately. Excuse me. Every time I look at Arrow, I keep telling you guys this thing's about to go. Is it going? Not yet. She's getting there though. Once you break over the 786 at 163, this thing may go. Just for the fact that the chart bottomed here, it's getting coiled up. It made a higher high. It keeps breaking the high. And then once you break resistance here, it looks like it just wants to go vertical. So this thing may be gunning very soon. Not saying it will, but the 1272 new high at about 387. Arrow's finally going to have some giant green candles spawning in. 146% move. But yeah, Arrow looks good. Degen looks like it's about to blow. We got Nina for 5. I appreciate that. Hi, can you please take a look at Varner Chain and ETH for Alex? Oh, this is Nina, Alex's wife. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot, Alex and Nina. Veneer Chain and ETH. Wait, make sure I read that right. ETH. We rarely look at the Ethereum chart. But yeah, Ethereum, same thing. Held the macro uptrend. It formed our formation. We've been watching on everything, and she was pumping. It is over the 786 at 3391. You can clearly see lower highs in place. So once you break this high back here at pretty much $4,000, it's going to start moving. Let's see here. We pull up a fib from the high to the low. Yeah, it's above the 786 here. So it looks good over 35, 33 to 35. So once it breaks this high, breaks the structure here, which it's probably going to do very soon. Next stop up is according to the chart here, for 4,900. Is that the top in 2021? No, because nothing's ever accurate. All right, there we go. Close enough. It's not going to be perfect. But yeah, but Ethereum looks bullish here. Once you break that, pretty much 4,000, then you're extremely bullish. And then Ethereum, no idea where Ethereum's going. I used to think about 10 grand. So the 1414, is that where she's headed? 10 grand, 163% move. And then Veneer chain, Vanry. There's a Gate O chart. I guess this is what you're talking about. I don't know where you find these things, but oh, come on. Put in a high in March. This the right one? The ticker's throwing me off. I appreciate the 5 though. $4,000 ETH equals parabolic alt season. Could be. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing? Oh, 8th year, not Ethereum. Is this the right one on this one? Yeah, let's see. We'll go back to that one. Well, at least we did Ethereum. Damn. Oh, this one here. Oh, come on. Yeah, this one, high to the low. It's above the 382, getting stuck into 0.5 at the moment. Yeah, I remember we looked at this one, ATH. So this one right now. Oh, come on. I don't have the right tool for anything. What's happening? Pretty much as long as you're above the 382, you're bullish here. You can see that pretty much puts the 236 down there. So as long as you're over 7, you are bullish. As long as you're over 6.7, you're macro bullish. The price to beat is 7.8. And then once you beat 7.8 here, which this could very well be a giant double bottom, and then this thing's about to start going. Once you get over 7.8, the next stop is about an 18% move to 9. And then a 46% to 11 here. But how high can it go potentially? It's moved on up since we looked at it last. You can see here. 3 billion market cap to 72 would give you a 9.5x. More conservative targets would be about 32 cents, a 1.3 billion market cap for 4x. And then the new high is only about a 170% move, 811 million. All right, so back over to, can I just go back? I think I can. Not a bad looking chart on this one, whatever it is. High to the low, same thing. Over the 382, stuck at the 0.5 at the moment at 15. So as long as you're over 12, 15 is the price to beat. Once you get over 15, it should send you up, which it looks bullish right now. It should send you up to the 618 at 19. And a 28% move. Yeah, exactly the same, so there's nothing to say. As long as you're over 12.2, you're good. And then this one to a new high, you're already, halfway there. This one, a new high would take you up to about 64 to 65 and a 4.5x. But these, I have no idea what these are. So layer 1, want to buy in. Oh, this one here? Yeah, but VAR was a layer 1, and we've tried to buy in back in the day, and it went to 0. Yeah, from my understanding, layer 1s take a long time to get their act together and move up. But layer 1s are bullish. Yeah, I would say just do your research on it. If you like the project and they're active on Twitter and all that good stuff, then maybe I'll have to do, since this is a layer 1, maybe I'll have to do a proper update on it. Let me see. Just really quick here. I'm gonna have to get a drink because my throat is dry. What are we looking at? Vanar. Come on, Vanar chain. 200 million market cap. Oh, they got all the coins out. Oh, so they got 1 billion coins. 1 billion point 4 coins. Alright, so that helps. So yeah, to $1.20 here, it'd be just over what, 1.2, 1.3 billion. About 2 billion. So maybe it hits 250 and gives you almost a 17x. $250 on Vanar. Oh, come on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this down. All right, that'll be a 3.5 billion because they have 1.4 billion total or circulating supply. 200 million market cap, so 1 billion's nothing. Probably 2 billion, so. Oh, come on. So I would say on this one, 8.5x, and then if you think it hit 250, then that's 17x. Potentially not a bad play. Q&T left Twitter for Blue Sky. What is that? RH says, can you please tell me why you're looking at 3-day? I don't know what you mean by that. 3-day time frame. You must be new to the channel because we usually look at the weekly. There's no point in looking at smaller time frames unless you're a trader. We're not traders, we're investors. We're putting our money in on the bottom and we're going to the moon. And it's a lot more accurate on the 3-day and the weekly. I've learned that over the years, a lot more accurate. You zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. You can see what's going on. But what did we forget to look at? Yeah, I know I've missed a lot. You guys are chatting it up here. 60 people in here, 43 on YouTube. Everyone hit the like button, please. I appreciate you guys coming in here. But yeah, that's why I do the 3-day and the weekly. We just a while back we just switched over and we just call the long moves. Oh yeah, VXV. What the heck is VXV? Let's look at that one. And I saw yours flip. VXV. Vector space. VXV. What is this? Yeah, I think I might roll my... Just since Jasmine's really not doing anything at the moment, Degen's about to take off. You guys can't give me... I guess you guys could. Should I roll my little peanut bag of Jasmine over into Degen for a moment? Because Degen's about to pump. I keep watching these coins in these bullish formations and then they go. Bottom formation, bullish formations. Vector space, VXV. Blue Sky's a liberal echo chamber. Did they really leave Twitter? Yeah, but someday when I have time, I'll go through the list here of all these new coins you guys are coming up with and actually do some decent charts on them and stuff. This one's sitting at a 13 million market cap, Vector Space AI. So another AI play, huh? Over 76% of the coins are in circulation. Not bad. You're right at the door of the 236 to make the macro bottom in at 40. Once you get over 40, that'll send you up to the macro 382 at 132% move over 85, and then you'll be bullish at that point. But it's not yet over the 236, so low market cap AI play could be something. See our multipliers. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. 786 retracement for almost an 18x. Up to 670. So 670 on this one. Let me pull this up. Come on. And you guys know these are not going to be totally accurate when it's all said and done. 254 million from 13 million. You know, if they don't release coins or something, which isn't going to make that much of a difference. Almost said that much of a difference. Yeah, your moonshot would be $80. You know, if this one's just going to rocket out of here and do a new high for some reason because it's an AI coin. Damn, this is an old one. It came out in 2019. Uh-oh. So that's a 200x, so that may not happen. I just realized this is an older coin. So maybe a 786 retracement, but maybe it only does a 618 retracement up to 284. That would be a 7.5x. That would line up with our 5 to 10x. So just put that into that old dinosaur perspective there. We got Flip for 10. I appreciate that. Turbo and Billy, please. Used car needs to call AAA. Is used car still going down? Oh, no. You're talking about regular turbo, huh? I appreciate the 10, my man. I gotta look at it now. Yep. She fell below the 236. Oh no. Well, final support to watch, I guess, now that you're below 7.3. 786 retracement, and it's going to drop another 24%. I still think it's a good play. It just needs to stop going down already. It doesn't have to go lower than this. If you just ignore the fibs and everything, you can clearly see the resistance and then turn resistance support, and you're back at that area, so it could bounce. Yeah, not looking the greatest at the moment. How's Billy holding up? It's still holding this area here. It held all back here. Pretty much the 382 at 4.2. You're at 417. It's still making higher highs and higher lows. But like I tell you guys all the time, these meme coins are just a gamble. But doesn't look bad short term here. If we can hold in this area and start moving back up. I don't know why we have this large one on there. But Billy's still good for a new high, 11x. Let's see here. Turbo wasn't looking too bad last time we looked at it. Yeah, she's still holding our green support and still in potentially this bullish consolidation here. So once you get back over 869, you're good to go. It may spike up to the 1414. It may do an 80%, 87% spike soon. Doesn't look too bad in this little pattern it's in. And as we said in the past, the smaller, the tighter the patterns, the more it runs. But it's holding our support level. Really good here at that 0071. Yeah, but just looking at the chart here, it looks like it's about to bounce. But yeah, I appreciate the 10. Yeah, he says he's going to sleep. Yeah, there's nothing really to say on XRP here. Oh, Casp is pumping. XRP is just bullish as can be. I just did an update on the channel. Let's go back out to the monthly so we just see the whole thing better. Broke over the 786, broke this previous high on the macro monthly chart. And she's bullish. Next stop up is 330. And then a little more technical with it. So if you're still here, Hamid. low to the high. You just broke that high, so I really don't see anything that's going to stop this thing from coming up there. If it's going to stay over $2, then she is good to go. She's gunning for this previous high back here from 2018. Yeah, XRP is just going vertical right now. What you mean Jasmine's not moving? Yeah, Sean, I appreciate that. Yeah, we've covered TARS AI before. I like TARS AI. The old coins outperforming the new ones. Yeah, I thought the old coins would run last, but they're running first. Old coins are running, and then I guess all the newer ones will run next, huh? Let's see. He says weekly, most of the coins are overbought on the stochastic RSI, the stock RSI. Then explain. I don't look at overbought and oversold. That means nothing to me. Thought SEI was gonna be something big, but it's moving slow. Yeah, it's the older coins are running right now. Yeah, I appreciate that, Flip Coins. Hopefully that helped a little bit. I know your coins aren't doing anything and kind of dying, but yeah, we should have just bought XRP back here. But I said that so many times. On every time I covered XRP, I just need to put my money where my mouth is. I kept saying XRP was in this large triangle pattern. Once it finally breaks, all of these monthly candles getting stuck here. Once it finally breaks over this 236 here, she's going to start flying. And that's exactly what she's doing here. Should have just bought XRP. Yeah, Jasmine's still bullish here. Let me go back down. We're on the monthly chart. But yeah, the stock RSI we have on the screen here, this is just a momentum indicator. It tells you nothing else. At least that's the way I see it. That's the way it should be. When you're over 50, the momentum is up. When you're below 50, the momentum is down. And then you can just see it with your own eyes with the screen. But yeah, Jasmine looks good here. Is it over 3? But my old deal with Degen is Degen's about to run. This thing already broke and ran. It's getting stuck right now at the 618 at 3. It'll probably break right over 3. So what has the bigger upside short term? Jasmine's next stop is potentially 3.5, so a 20% move. But then I'm looking for it to shoot it to 5, so a 70% move. I don't know. Oh, yeah, we're on the wrong chart. Let's see here. As we're Degen, what did I say about Degen? Yeah, about the same percent move, but Degen does it all in one candle. I think that's my whole point. One weekly candle and you're gone. Oh, even a 3-day candle. Whereas Jasmine's a slow runner, I guess you would say, for now. Let me go back to the chat. You'll rotate billion to used or vice versa. I can't answer that. I think used car has more upside. Used car, well, I don't know. I can't say because then when I say it, it'll be wrong. I like used car better, especially if it comes down to that final support level. Just watch that level. If used car drops down to that 786, then it could be a very good buying opportunity. What's up, Brian? Ubix, what is that? I think we lost Hamid. He went to sleep. Oh, he's back. Yeah, Ski Mask was just bullish. Come on. Peter's acting slow all of a sudden. Ski Mask. When did we look at Ski last? This thing's still going to the moon. Did we leave? I think we left that there to spawn you in a candle. Are you in on this one? Hopefully you're making money and taking profit. Damn, this thing's going still. Yeah, this thing, we spawned you in a candle. Next resistance is 13.4. Another 19%, but there's no wick on the candle. It's just bullish. It's just going. Wow. Is it about to repeat this? We'll pull this up and spawn you in another candle. We'll look at it tomorrow up there. Damn, should just threw our ski on base. Just the Solana coins just aren't doing anything right now. That's why used car and Billy. What is Soul Orty up to after it stole my money? Did it ever recover? Doesn't look like it. Oh no. She's holding the bottom. I haven't looked at this in a while. It's holding the bottom. Damn. Is Soul Orty ever going to run again? Because if it starts moving up from here, good gamble play, Soul Orty here. I'm not in on it anymore. I don't have the money on Solana to buy it, so I guess it could do whatever it wants, but it seems to be trying to put in a bottom again. The Solana coins will start running again. What else did you say? Yeah, I know you're at a different time. Arkham. If I ever get to where I can do it, I'm going to start doing morning and night streams, but I'm not in that position at the moment. Arkham. Where's our Arkham charts? Arkham Intelligence. come on, get off my screen. Yeah, we were looking at this one potentially being in a bullish continuation pattern over the 618. It moved out. It moved out. So it's trying to pump, but it has some red candles spawning in here. But as long as you're above the 618, it appears it broke out of the pattern here. Let me clean some of this up. It wasn't the prettiest pattern, I remember saying that. But it could have been. Did it? No, it didn't break the previous high. It needs to break over about 255. But as you can clearly see the overall chart, this thing's just curled up here. Very steep uptrend. It doesn't look bad. So as long as you stay over 212, 19% move up. Momentum is up. Keeps bouncing off the middle. And then once you break over the 786, this one's going. But yeah, if it's just going to repeat here, it should come up and hit the 786 next and do a 19% move up. But yeah, not a bad looking chart from the bottom there. New high on this one's a 3 billion market cap, 160% move to 630. What's up, Sector? How's it going? Brian says UBX is popping. Yeah, XRP's moving, so they're screaming to the moon. Is XLM still moving? XLM to the moon. Yeah, XLM's still bullish too. That's all we had to do was buy these two, and we'd all be winners. And look at this from the bottom. Past the 786 already on, man. We're in the bull market. I think we're early. It's so sad because I'm gonna miss it. It's just what it is. I'm gonna have to catch the late bloomers. But yeah, there's really nothing to say on XLM here. It's just bullish as hell. It's over the 786 at 47. Next stop is the previous high, potentially on the chart we have here, the Coinbase one, 79.80, 40% move up. Okay, we can work with that. Short term, it looks bullish again. If you want a shorter price to watch, 53. 4-hour candles here. I'm gonna have to get a drink. And this one, you're stuck right at the 786 over the 618. So as long as you're over 54, 58, it's the price to beat, and it should continue to move here. UBX. What is UBX? UBX network. Oh no, she's about to go. Damn, we haven't looked at this one in years. Come on. Jeez. I'm gonna have to get a mouse pad or something. This laptop and using the little pad on the laptop is just killing my hands here. They're almost numb. High to the low on UBX. She's going to the moon. She's still bullish. Hit the 786 at 40. As long as you're above the 618, you're good. Price to beat is 40, but back down to the 4-hour chart here. You see what's forming. Let's see if we can see anything. And whoever was asking earlier, you don't have to be that serious when it comes to charting either. I mean, all you have to do is draw, and see what patterns you see. Yeah, but this one potentially on the 4-hour chart is gearing up to go again. Little pattern there, as you can see. Yeah, it looks bullish now. So just keep it simple. Oh, come on. I haven't even been keeping the time up. Hour and 40 minutes almost. Not bad. Still hovering around 30 people in here, 50 or. Yeah, AIs looks good. PNG should follow just because they have the same chart. They do the same thing every time they copy each other. Oh yeah, just spawned in the new weekly candle above that 119. AIs is going to the moon. Damn. Yep. As long as you're holding here, it looks good. It looks like the next stop's $1.40. You're at 123. So yeah, she's about to move up another 18% or so. $1.40 and then $1.70. What is Nacho? Oh, I don't even know how to look at that. Someone asked for that the other day. Ain't that the Caspa meme coin? I don't even know how to look at those. The moonshot for AOS? I don't remember. Well, the next big macro target is the 4.8, 427. And about a 3.5x. I think the moonshot is this one. $9.3 billion market cap to 830 would give you a 6.5x. It's just the question is, can it do those? I mean, it's already headed to the new high at the 1272. It's on its way now. So that could be all she writes, and then that's it. What's up, Shadow? Yeah, I think we looked at Mana last night. Mana's an older one. Dang it. Got stuck at the 382, lower high, 7.7. She's pulling back. So Mana from the bottom to the top. As long as you're above, dang it, 58, you're still bullish. 58 down to the 236 and the 382, you're still bullish. But 57, 58 short term to watch. If you hold that, you could push through 77, but you just pump up, make a lower high. So there is a chance right now, stuck at that resistance, that you're going to drop 27% any lower than that price. But then Mana, the older coin, 26 billion market cap. Is that possible for a 22x up to 14? Or is it more likely she's going to do a 4.5x and hit about $3? 4.5, 5x, 290 to 3. Lower high. What's up, Eldor? Some people are getting rich. I ain't rich yet. Jasmine won't let me get rich. Uh, all right, I'll be back in just a moment. I gotta get something, find something to drink because it's getting pretty dry in here. What's up, Muffin Man? I appreciate you coming back in here every day. Great job today as usual. I appreciate the words. But yeah, if I missed anything, just pop it back up on the chat here for just a moment because I know I missed some. I'll be back in just a moment. Let me take it off of Decentraland. Bitcoin's not doing anything. ALGO is still stuck. AVAX is still on the move. Dogecoin's not in a bad spot either. It got over the 786 and is just hanging out, sitting right on top of it with a nice looking wick down. Dogecoin's about to start running again at some point. Jasmine's getting stuck. XRP still going to the moon. It's at 230 already. Yeah, I did that update on the channel. Next stop, $3. Can't believe XRP is almost at $3. All right, what's up, Roberto? I'll be back in just a moment. Give me like 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. I'm going to find something to drink and I'll be back. We'll see how long we can do this one tonight. Right back. All right, I'm back. Uh, Everything is going to down. We're going to zero. Doge moves when Bitcoin does. Yeah, but they're holding up very strongly. So once Bitcoin starts to move again, it's over. Peak. Damn. Yeah, peaks over the 786 here. Looks good. Where do we say this thing's going? $1.5 billion market cap to $4. Yeah, it's holding support, and it looks like just a tiny little triangle continuation pattern here. So when we see that consolidation in the triangle and holding support, that's very bullish. Yeah, Arrow, we've been saying Arrow's about to run. We looked at Arrow a couple times already, I think. Yeah, she moved up. Once you break through 163, in real good shape. What's up, Fireman? He says Litecoin is running. Oh, damn, it is running. Where's OG? Where's OG Jerry? He's making some money on Litecoin right now. He's coming up on resistance at 129. But it looks extremely bullish at the moment. But if you blow through the 0.5 on Litecoin, another 5%, 129. Next big stop's the macro 618 for almost a 39-40% move to 170. Yep, Litecoin is pushing. Carrot went up and now it's pulling back. Yeah, I think we looked at Carrot already. What do you think about an ABT short term? Arc block. Yeah, arc blocks over the double or over the 382, so you're bullish over the 2272, 382. It's got a red candle spawning in. Damn, is Q&T going to the moon? I just got a notification said it's at 114. But yeah, it needs to push through 215. If not, it could pull back here 12% back down to about 180. But if you break over 215, then the next stop up 618, about a 28% move to 259. Yeah, some things are pulling back and some things are going to the moon. I just covered QNT on the channel. We looked at it earlier. She blew right through the red resistance box over the 382, so she is officially bullish. Green candle with no wick. High to the low over the 618, 382. Next stop is 121. And we missed QNT too. Another 8% move loading. So what's the best way to see 3-day, weekly, and fib? I don't understand what you mean. Just what we're doing here. Just zoom out on the macro and just draw your fib. High to the low, low to the high. Oh, ADA's bullish. ADA's over to 618. Uh-oh, Cardano's going to the moon. Damn. She's over 113. Damn, we're really in a bull market, huh? Next big stop for ADA is a 53% move to 176. ADA looks bullish as hell right now. But yeah, if you're learning how to do this, just go look up videos. That's how I started. Just watch all the videos you can. You know, you pick your indicators you like. I went through many indicators, many tools, and the best one I like is the fibs, because the fibs are respected, especially on the larger time frames. Like I said earlier, you zoom out and draw fibs on stuff, it pretty much tells you the next targets it's going to. And then you pair that with uptrends, downtrends, patterns that form, and I don't know, you really can't go wrong. You just got to understand the market you're in. And now that we're in a bull market, it's very easy to draw these and call these upside moves. Oh damn, what did I do? Oh no, we're on the wrong list. ILV, Alluvium. Alluvium's bullish. Yeah, she's over the 382 at 57. So she is officially short term. And when I say short term, we're on the bigger time frames, but you get the idea. The shortest term price action here. Bullish over the 382. Once you break over the 236, 618, this move down short term is over, and you can start focusing on higher targets. Ooh. But yeah, now that you're over the 382 on ILV, next stop is 60, pretty much 70. %16 move, and then potentially about a 40% move. Oh yeah, I was going to look at Well. Is Well holding up, or did it fall? Nah, she's still holding up. Held the macro 618 and now low to the high 236 at 63. That's where you're coming to right now. As long as you hold 637 here, you're still bullish to push right back up. But it could repeat history and come down, but we'll see. But those are your levels right there to watch. Oh, gee, Jerry for 2. I appreciate that. Litecoin to the moon, he says. Yes, Litecoin is bullish right now. Let me check my phone. Hold on. But I appreciate the 2. All right. Moonwell discouraged you. Yeah, it's because everyone was bullish on it, calling to the moon, and then it got stuck and it pulled back, and it's just not ready yet. ILV has lots of liquidity and can 20x if the gaming has a run, I think. Yeah. What do you guys think about gaming this cycle? All I've heard lately is RWA and AI. We'll see how gaming does, I guess. Can it hit an all-time high? This was, when did ILV come out? I want to say this is an older one, ain't it? This one was around last bull run, wasn't it? Or did it launch last bull run? All right, it topped in 2021 November. The good target we have is this here, 786 retracement, 13x. And like he said, it could 20x. Maybe it comes up here and spikes above the 786 and that's it. Like we see it spikes, gets stuck, and then that's it. But as for an all-time high, a new all-time high, 100x if it comes up to this one. 29 billion, almost $6,000. 35x for a slightly higher high above 2,000. But I like this target. If I had ILV, if gaming's not going to be big, 13x, and then hell, if I got a 6.5x, you know what I'm going to say. I'd get out. I don't know what I would hold to the moon. Gaming will be hot. ILV carrot. Prime. What do you guys think about games for a living? Wow, we got 65 people in here. We got 46 on YouTube. Still haven't hit that 100 mark. We're creeping. I mean, we're getting more and more subscribers. We're almost. I hope to be at 10,000 by the end of the year. So we got 1 month. Where's everyone at? What was the other one? Yeah, I wanted to see what Beefy was doing. We were looking at through my list the other day. I was trying to find the coins that were still on the bottom and haven't moved. Here's one of them. Beefy Finance. Same formation we watch everything on, and then they go to, no, not the moon, but they spike up. It's over the 3-2, so you're bullish. It held over, so it looks like it's about to break out here. The 0.5. Once it breaks over the 0.5, maybe a nice spike up, 70%. Like we've seen a lot of things do, maybe. Because everywhere we've seen this occur, things spike up out of here. Even things I've never even heard of. See if we can find some. Look, even BICO went up. B Pro, what is B Pro Network? B Pro Network, the same idea. BenQ is bullish. It broke out of our pattern. Look, BAT token. The Brave token, BAT. Same formation, and now it's going. Man, that sucks because I had a whole bunch of BAT tokens. Because I used to use the Brave browser for years. And then you slowly get coins for using the browser. And that old computer crashed. I couldn't relog back into that browser wallet. And all those coins are just gone. Band, another one, formation, and it's running. Balancer. Damn, Bake. Does anyone use Bake? Bake's another one that could start running. Bad idea, Jesus. Oh, Badger. Forgot about Badger. There's another one that's about to take off. Oh yeah, Baby Doge. I was looking at Baby Doge the other day. Baby Doge is in a bullish setup here. Baby Doge is about to go. You sold Prime for ASM. Yeah, didn't ASM already break out of the pattern like a couple days ago? Yeah, a little baby breakout, like a Shiba. But a breakout nonetheless, I guess. %, move to 43, and then up to 6.6 for an 85% move. But it looks like a slow. This is a slow mover. It's not one that usually has the large candle spawning in. You sold your Dash. Yeah, all these old coins. Yeah, see, we didn't look at Dash either, but Dash had the same formation here at the bottom. And now she's running. Oh, I forgot about Mines of Delarnia. I don't know what the hell's going on with the price right now. Jeez. Not the prettiest, but pretty much the same formation here at the bottom, and then it's just kind of holding up, curling up. Yeah, we'll look up in Mines of Delarnia. DAR here is going to have a spike up to the 382 over 19.7. It's over the 236, so the bottom is in. 87% move to the 36.5 here. Flow. Flow stuck right at resistance here. Same formation and stuck. But once you get over 108, 109, the bottom is confirmed in. Let's see here. She looks like she's sitting right above the 618 at 101. So it's probably going to push through the 236 very soon here. But it is at resistance, so another 7%, and then potentially about a 25% move. Damn, just think about it. Over the last couple of months, we could have caught pretty much everything in the bottom here. Damn. Just buy everything that looks like that. Oh, FitFi. Yeah, this is one on my list too. Step app. I don't know where you can buy this one at, but perfect setup down here. FitFi looks like it's about to spike up 140%. Will XRP ruin the bull run for other coins? What you mean? No, I guess the old coins are going to top out first. The old dinosaur coins are topping out first, and then everything else can go. Once people make their money on XRP and all these coins, once the money stops flowing into those and Bitcoin, I guess the money's going to flow into all these new coins and all these other coins. That seems like what's going to happen. Yeah, once people make their money on Doge and XLM and XRP and Dash and Litecoin, they're going to dump their money into something else. Yeah, we've looked at helium a couple of times. Did it move up since we looked at it earlier? Damn, I guess it did. Jeez, helium is bullish as crap right now. It's right at the 618 resistance at 269. Damn, she went up. Another 50% move if it gets over this, potentially. But yeah, it's so hard to choose, what's going to go up so fast like this. Yeah, I agree with that, Sean. It set out 2 bull runs. It was suppressed by all the stuff going on with it. Now I guess that's all over. It can run. It's here for vengeance. Just imagine if all the XRP Moon Boys are right and this thing goes to just crazy numbers. Yeah, you guys are trying to buy green candles, huh? I'm still thinking about degen here. Damn. Yeah, degen is looking real good here. This thing's about to have a spike up 60% or higher. Honestly, don't see why it would not. Just like last time. Oh, what time is it? How long have we been on here? Let me see. Let me check my phone. Oh, over 2 hours already. Yeah, I didn't realize till this morning that it was December 1st. I was trying to get all I could in for the December YouTube check. I thought I had 1 day left for some reason. One more day to try to get it as up high as I can. You accumulated so much degen already. Let's go degen, econ. Oh, we're dropping off. We only got 25 people in here. I guess we looked at everything. Usually it's 2 hours in, people start coming in, or it's 2 hours in and people just start leaving. Oh yeah, I'm trying to fix my phone real quick. But yeah. Did you see Miria? Oh, come on. Wait, where's Miria? Oh yeah, Miria's about to break out here. You see this? It's the same pattern, the same other pattern we look at, where it did this, it ended up breaking down one last time, held support perfectly here at 1.8, all of those weekly candles, and it spiked up, and then once it breaks the 618 where it's getting stuck every time, yeah, she's about to spike up good. She's already moved up from the last time we looked at her. So once you get over 4.1, you're at 4.0, a 40% move up to 5.8. And then not the best chart in the world, I would say. I don't know what's going on here. I think we had this on non-log. Yeah, but we just switched everything to log. As you can see, it's working out. Broke the high, hit the 1272, 1272, double top, lower high. Fell off the table, and then did the double bottom pattern here. And you can clearly see once it breaks this here, it'll start moving. Yeah, hopefully we come on here tomorrow and degen's going for you guys. But yeah, I'm just bullish on it because it's in that pattern there. And last time we looked at it, that bull flag pattern, and when it started to curl up a little bit and hold support, it just went. And then everyone wanted the degen update. IO should run in the coming days. Yeah, Flow. Didn't I look at Flow? I was about to type it in earlier, and I don't know what happened. I could have swore I did. Yeah, flow off the bottom pattern here. It stuck it right at the 236. So it needs to get over 108. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we just looked at this. It's over the 618. Dang it. Come on, move. Yeah, so as long as you're over 101, 102, it should push you through 108 here. Yeah, I just said that. But it looks bullish right now. It looks good. It's about to get over the 236. The macro bottom is going to be in. And then the next big stop on flow is 100% move to 203, 204. Yeah, when did flow come out? Flow's a 2021 topper, yeah. Flow 786 retracement, 11x, 18 billion market cap, 11 to $12. That's where she's going. Maybe it makes a lower high and comes up to about 25 bucks maybe. Does about a 24x, but I'm liking this target here. I would take a 10, 11x on flow. Seven o'clock already. All right, I guess we're gonna cut it and call it. We're down more subscribers. We're only 16 people in here. 2 hours long. It is 7 o'clock. I need to call my kids before they end up going to bed. They have school tomorrow. Holidays are over for now until Christmas. But yeah, we covered a lot again. A couple of new charts. A lot of the same. Some of you guys are making money. Didn't hit any of our goals, but we're good. Good start to the 1st of December. I'm gonna try to double everything this in December here. I appreciate you guys being in here. All you guys coming in here with the support and the super chats and just, being here is awesome. It helps out a lot, not only with the finances, but just everything else. So I appreciate you guys. I'll be back on here tomorrow, of course. Look out for the updates. Hit the like button on your way out. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.